If you're trying to get back on track with your fitness and you just don't know where to start, this is where I would begin.
I always recommend to new clients mobility and strength. The better you move and the stronger you are, the less pain you're going to have. Watch to the end so you can get all the exercises for both. I would begin with bottom up, so starting with your ankle mobility. There are two simple exercises you can do. One is a forward movement and the other is a sideways perpendicular movement. Then I would transition higher to your calves, rocking back and forth from your heel to toe, heel to toe. It's important to warm up everything from the bottom of your foot up through your Achilles tendon to your calf. Now we can focus on hip mobility. Hip mobility is so important because it allows for rotation, bending, and lifting. So using a hip opener to really drive movement through your upper hip flexors all the way to the side of your glutes can really help alleviate any of the stiffness that you get from sitting, standing, or sleeping. So focusing on mobility is the first thing I would recommend when beginning to exercise again.
If you're looking for that reset of your body and your mind, I've got a 30-day full body rebuild program specifically designed for people like you and I who are very busy and trying to get back on track. It's easy to follow, it's got an activity calendar, nutritional guidance, and workouts that you can do that's recommended in this calendar for the entire 30 days. It's time you refocused and rebuilt yourself so you feel energetic, move pain-free, and be there when everyone's counting on you. Let's get back to the exercises.
Second thing I would recommend is definitely strength exercises. Strength exercises can help reinforce the better movements you get from improving your mobility. Bodyweight exercises such as squats or deadlifts will help strengthen the back of your legs, the front of your legs, and lead into lower back stability. Just use your own body weight. You don't need extra equipment or any type of machines for these exercises to be effective. If you need more detailed instructions of these exercises, check out my YouTube channel. Finish that off with stationary lunges, and this should give you a well-rounded initial routine to get your body started with mobility and strength.
Those are just a few bodyweight exercises I would do personally, and which I am doing as I'm living abroad to get myself back into a routine too. They can be easily done anywhere. You don't need any type of equipment or a huge space, as you've noticed. But it'll definitely kickstart your body and get it ready for a regular exercise routine. If you want something easy to follow, I've got the 30-day full body rebuild that'll guide you through the entire 30 days. And you can find all the details in the descriptions. If you're looking for more bodyweight exercises, check out this video.